Well, this is what I did with the Slingshot today. I drove it in this, and I put my Sena Bluetooth on. I put the Sena Bluetooth on today, and it works great. Fits the helmet really good. Water. Just waiting till it lets off a little bit, then I'll be heading out again. I saw Sling Blade on the freeway, and yeah, fellow motorcyclist did the same thing. Pulled in. This is a big heavy drop, and I don't want to end up hydroplaning. But I like my Sena Bluetooth device. Works really good. It's kind of weird because I'm not looking at the camera. There's the camera right there. But I'm always looking at the screen. Okay, that's my report of the Sena Bluetooth device and the range. Oops. Gloves on.